for the Lakers.
Joe misfires. Smart is gingerly making his way down, and now it's going to be an advantage the other way. OKC on the power play with 8 late to recover. And they let him get back in. 5-on-5. Swinging around McCain, right back to Dort. Thought about it, now he'll drive. And it's through the hands of Joe, out of bounds.
Great job by the Lakers putting out fires. There are multiple driving kicks by OKC. They didn't owe Sleepy Days look, but he's locked in there. He's in there.
Smart directing traffic on the outside. 3 minutes
right
gone.
back to it. They're trying to get this switch to McCain. And watch, LeBron's coming right over.
Screen.
There it is,
Circle.
wide open.
Bounce. Vanderbilt. Outside. LeBron James. Out of bounds.
But Austin, the hesitancy to switch there leads to a wide open shot. And doesn't go in, but that's...
And LeBron missed that, but they got a good look, and Vando or Smart had an opportunity there to get something going.
Isaiah Joe.
Man, he's aggressive here right now.
And go to NBA.com or visit the NBA app. And a foul's going to be called on the entry pass.